If you like to be active outdoors but can't walk as long as you'd like, the Maxwalk Rollator can help you continue doing the things you love. With 12-inch front wheels and 10-inch rear wheels, it's the ATV of rollator walkers. It can navigate on grass, gravel, uneven pavement. It can even go up and down curbs when there's no curb cut available. There's a cane holder on the side if you want to take your cane with you, and a holder if you want to take some water while you're outdoors. Now I'll show you how it works. The main feature though is that it has 12-inch front wheels and 10-inch back wheels, but it has all of the other things that you would expect from rollators. If you get too tired when you're walking, you can lock the brakes like I have them now and sit down and have a rest. And there's a nice backrest that you can lean into if you have trouble sitting without back support. There's a front pouch here where you can store things and take them with you when you're on the go. And it folds up nice and easily to fit into a car trunk. In fact, it only weighs 20.3 pounds, but it can support users weighing up to 300 pounds. To fold and unfold the rollator, you just lift up on the handle on the back of it. It is probably a good idea to take your water out first. Lift up like that, and it folds up easily, and then you can pick it up and put it in your car. And as you can see, it's very light. It moves quite easily. To put it back in place, you just spread it out, press down like this. You'll hear the seat click into place, and that's how you know that it's fastened firmly. Then to unlock the brakes, you just pull up there and you can start to go with it. If you need to slow down for any reason, you just squeeze the brakes and they'll stop, let go, and you can start going again. It also adjusts for a variety of different user heights. I have it set down on the lowest setting right here, and you want it set to a height that you can lean on the handlebars. You don't want to just push it out in front of you like a shopping cart. You actually want to lean down on it so you can take some weight through your arms. And if I lock the brakes right here, you can see that it is actually very stable. It can hold my entire weight. I wouldn't recommend doing that though. Now you can also adjust the height by pushing on these rails right here, and it lifts up and goes down, and you just select the height that is correct for you. As far as what height that you need, you want it roughly about the height of your hip bone, or if you have your arm in front of you leaning on the rollator, there should be about a 20 to 30 degree bend in your elbow. That allows you to take weight through your arms and unload your back, your hips, your knees, or whatever else that you need to unload. Now it also has a unique ergonomic grip right here. There's a little piece that you can see on the inside where your fingers go across, and it also allows you to rest your thumb there. And one thing that I've noticed with people who have arthritis in their hands or in their wrists is that they tend to death grip walkers, and this kind of helps you keep a looser grip and allow your wrists and hands to last a little bit longer when you're using the rollator. I'll show you the usage of it on a variety of surfaces here. You can see it goes over bumps, through mud, like that. So this is a great fit for people who do want to be active outdoors, but have trouble walking or have trouble with balance when they're not on a steady surface. If you'd like to pick up this Maxwalk Rollator for yourself, click the link down below this video.